Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today, we're going to show you how to make your own personalized bulletin board. First, we'll start building the frame using 1x3 and 1x2 pine boards cut to the dimensions in the cutting list. We're going to be using a simplified version of a basic overlap joint with the 1x3 and 1x2 pine boards. Lay out the 4 1x3 sides, making sure you have the nicer side of the board showing towards the front. Apply glue to the back of the 1x2s and spread it out. Apply some to the sides of the 1x3s. Place the 1x2 over the 1x3s. Then, using your Arrow PT18G pneumatic brad nailer, nail the boards together with 1 1/4 inch brad nails. Double check the length of your nails beforehand. Make sure they are shorter in length than the wood you are nailing together. Finish nailing the 1x2 to the 1x3s, then repeat this for the other 2 corners. Put some glue on the 1x2, glue the 1x3s together, place the 1x2 on top, and then nail them together. Make sure you're checking for squareness as you go. For the top 1x2, simply apply some glue, place it on top, and nail it in place. If you're going to install the optional LED light strip, make sure to put a small notch on the 1x3 board. Put the wires of the light strip through the notch before fastening the 1x2 board using the same process as the top piece. Be careful not to nail through the wires. Now it's time to paint the frame. While the paint is drying, you can measure a piece of insulation foam to fit inside the frame. Measure a piece of fabric to wrap around the foam. Make sure the fabric is a few inches larger than the foam. When the paint is dry, drape the fabric over the back of the frame and push the foam into place. With your T50X staple gun, staple the fabric to the foam using 1/4 inch staples. You can roll the fabric up to make it neater. It can also help to cut the corners if you have excess fabric. Be sure to pull the fabric tight around the foam. Otherwise, you'll end up with wrinkles on the front. Once the fabric is secured to the foam, remove it from the frame. Attach the light strip to the frame by peeling and sticking. Cut the strip to the desired length. We're going to add a string to our bulletin board, so we're going to measure down 6 inches on each side. Fasten the string to the board by stapling it with your T50X staple gun using 1/4 inch staples. Insert the foam panel back into the frame. Use your PT18G to nail the foam to the 1x3s by using 1 inch brad nails for this step. Then take 2 1/4 inch strips of wood, cut to length, and use your PT18G to nail them to the back of the frame, holding the panel in place. Now we can add hanging hardware to the back. Measure down 6 inches and screw in the hooks. Tie the wire through each end, making sure to leave some slack and cut off the excess. Now the frame of the bulletin board is complete. All you need to do is decorate. This part is up to you, but for our bulletin board, we started with a note card holder. We cut the top off and stapled it to the bottom corner with our T50X. Then we put clothespins on the string to hang photos from. We also added a few command hooks to the bottom to hang keys, as well as peel and stick pen holders on the side. The string can also be used to hold markers, so we got a variety of colors. We put a magnetic strip on the back of the LED light remote and one on the frame. Now you can fill up your note cards, add a few thumbtacks, hang a photo, and plug it in. Thank you for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. For a written copy of instructions for this project and additional projects, visit arrowfastener.com/projects.